How to fix Windows 11 24H2 update fails to install. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Perhaps the easiest way to fix update issues is by running the Update Troubleshooter. Fix 2. Check relevant services. Open Start and type cmd. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If you receive an error, type in Y, close down command prompt and restart your device. Wait until the scan is finished. You can find the results in the event viewer. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter.